Today I'm out for a hike and I'm gonna do some rock climbing at the same time. There's a spot close to Ottawa that has some really good boulders. So I'm just gonna go mainly hike and then just do a bit of climbing because I am so out of climbing shape right now. So I'm just gonna do some climbing, hike, and then make some food. So it's confirmed I am very out of shape. So the nice thing about these thing I had on my back, it's called a crash pad. It's what you it's what you land on if you fall. But they also work as a couch. So you can just relax and be in nature. Which is what it's all about. That's why we come out here. Nice thing about coming to boulder fields, it's because I'm in a boulder field right now at the base of the cliff. There's all these shelters options that you could do. Look at that. You could easily set something up in this. It's under this big boulder. Big boulder in the middle of the woods. I'm not brave enough to climb to the top of that right now because it's been so long since I climbed. I've been climbing for a bit now and starting to get hungry. It's lunchtime. So I'm gonna go. I think I'm good climbing. It's amazing how quickly you get out of shape and tired when you're not climbing a lot. So I'm gonna go and we'll find a spot to make lunch. You just see where I am. Brings you to some really cool spots. So just got back to the car and I'm gonna go to the next spot to make lunch because I didn't see many good spots to make lunch, and there's actually quite a bit of people around. So I'm gonna go to somewhere better. It's beside the Madawaska River, so it's beautiful. The fall colors are nice, so we're gonna go there. So be there in a second. All right, here we are. Water's so low. Normally you can like swim here really easily. This is like a perfect spot right here. It's a bit windy. Hopefully the wind doesn't muffle the sound. We'll see. So I'm gonna make something super simple because I'm a bit sick right now. John's been sick at home, and I definitely have caught what she has. My throat's pretty sore today. Amy, as always, is the star of the show. I get to go out and do this, and she's at home with John. She's amazing. Can't believe it. Like, really, couldn't ask for a better spot. Maybe if I had my, my camp chair with me, that would make it. Stove. This place I'm at is just literally, you know those like pullouts that you always see on the side of the road? Some of them are gems, some of them are not. This one's a gem. Because you can go climbing or you can go hiking at Calabogie. And then you can come here, which is just down the road, and you can swim. I wouldn't swim now, it's probably pretty cold, but this is just like, you can't beat this. You can also come fly fishing here. The water out there, the water is very shallow, so you can do fly fishing or surface fishing. It's a great spot. I look forward to bringing John here. What tea you got today? It's just the classic Yorkshire tea. But it's like an orange pekoe, but a bit more, I find it has better flavor than orange pekoe. What's your favorite tea? Comment below. So the kettle is boiling. And you can have tea. What I got for lunch today is just literally pre-cooked pepperoni. I think it's salami. And I'm just going to put that in the water. So it gets the flavor and you get all the fat in the water. And then literally the classic Mr.Noodle. If you want to get more creative with your Mr.Noodle, more than I have right here, you can add like onions, you can add like red pepper, green pepper, whatever is your fancy, any veggies basically, and then you can add any meat as well, and it really spices it up, makes it a lot better. You can also add like chili spice and anything like that to make it a better tasting soup. I'm just going for the quick and dirty right now, and we'll just let that cook. So I bet this is ready now. Oh yeah, here we go. Probably too overcooked. It's actually really good. There's an island over there. I've always looked at it. I've been coming like to Calabogie for a long time, and it looks like a perfect camping spot. I wonder if I can like either next year swim out to it or paddle to it to camp on it, or do some winter camping on it, like walk out on the ice, because it's not far. It wouldn't be sketchy to walk out on the ice. I actually have a story where I fell. I was ice climbing the Adirondacks and I fell through the ice. It scared me. I fell through the ice, and if my buddy wasn't there with me, who like did like a Superman dive, I would have fell through the ice with all my gear on. It would have been really bad. So thankful for JP. Who's an arborist now in Australia. This is where I'll leave the video off. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've never tried rock climbing before, I would highly recommend it. You can just go to a local climbing gym. Everyone does it, from young ages to very old. Like, I think there's someone in their 90s who does really well at rock climbing. You should give it a try, or go for a hike, or just go somewhere like this and have lunch. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this. It helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.